Hello, you're looking at a 2002 Toyota Tacoma extended cab or crew cab four-wheel drive pickup with low mileage, and it runs great. Does have a story with it, so watch the whole video and read the whole description, please. Starts right up, runs great, 73,000 original miles. Belonged to a friend of ours' daughter, who's an RN nurse, and runs and drives well, four-wheel drive. It has been in a previous accident though, and has had some body work done to it. But that was a pretty good amount a long time ago. So it again still runs fine, looks fine, and it'll be a cheap price for what these Toyota pickups bring. This is probably one of the most popular cars on the market today as far as resale value and reliability, and just great cars. Has a 6-cylinder, cold air conditioning, and it's not rusty. You can see where it's been painted a little bit, but it's okay. I mean, it looks nice. Looks really, really nice. It's clean inside, and this hadn't even been detailed. It's just the way it came from his daughter. Tires look good. Has a new spare under it. Bed's in good shape, has a bed liner, chrome bumper, got a little rust just surfaced right on the middle by the trailer hitch. This truck is located in Frankfort, Delaware. It's about 20 miles north of Ocean City, Maryland, and not far away from anything really. It's right off the main thoroughfares. Our zip code is 19945 in Delaware, if you want to check out the distance from your place. If you're coming from a distance, and we have sold a lot of cars from people from far away, we will pick you up at the Salisbury Airport, or you can take a bus to the Dover, Delaware area. Or come with a friend, or rent a car on a one-way rental. All those ways work to come pick up a car. You'll notice this account is fairly new, but we have sold over 5,000 cars on eBay. This is our newest location in Georgetown, Delaware. I'm sorry, in Frankfort, Delaware. It's our newest location, and we intend to do a big volume of vehicles from this location. Now, when you come to pick up this truck, it has a clean Delaware title, no brands. But if you do a Carfax on it, or auto check, it is going to say previous damage history. But the title does say clean on it. When you come to pick it up, you'll get the title, a bill of sale, and a temporary license tag to drive it home and drive it around once you get home. Please do not bid on this truck unless you understand how the auction works, how you understand the history of this vehicle, and you're able to finish the transaction. You'll need a $250 deposit at the end of the auction, and the balance is due within 7 days. Now, you don't have to pick it up for 30 days, but the balance is due within 7 days. You can see there's 55 miles an hour, runs down the road nicely. Goes through the gears fine, shifts well. I'll do that one more time. Cannot beat a Toyota Tacoma truck. They are just one of the best running, driving trucks out there, and that's why the resale value is so strong on them and so many people want them. Has all the right options: power windows, power door locks, tilt cruise, 4-wheel drive, good tires, CD player, cold air. And a low 73,000 miles. I've driven these with 170 on them, and there's still tons of people looking at it. So if you've been looking for a Toyota Tacoma and it always brought way too much money, or you've been looking for a cheap, reliable pickup, buy this Tacoma. It'll give you lots of years of good service, and you'll get it for a cheap price.